Finance for €52 per week with no deposit. Kevin here from Lambert ATV Sales in Roscommon. Just coming on to show you the new Suzuki KingQuad 500. So these have the option of power steering. They can come in red or green. They are fully automatic with a high-low range. Just select it, rev and go. 2 and 4 wheel drive with Diff lock, digital dash. Independent rear suspension with a heavy duty hitch, and they come with an over fender kit for keeping the muck down. Sitting on 25-inch Carlisle tyres, 8-inch wide on the front, 10-inch wide on the rear. It's also a heavy duty hitch there, I don't think I mentioned that. It's easier for putting on and taking off a trailer. We have a spotlight up here on the handlebars as well. 2 years warranty. So for finance, you can text your name, address, email address and a contact number, and we'll arrange the finance for you. So that's €52 per week for the non-power steering model, or €56 per week for the power steering. Trade-ins taken, finance and delivery options available. For a straight sale price, you can give myself, Kevin, a call on 087 742 1488. Thanks.